Welcome to the Sochak YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please follow the channel to see more great videos. Next, Sochak would like to send you a video introducing the process of making wood pellets from firewood and its application in life. The first step is to prepare materials. Firewood is collected from recycled wood sources or from planted forests. The firewood is then separated from impurities such as soil, rocks, and other foreign materials. Second step, firewood treatment. After being collected, firewood is processed to remove remaining moisture and impurities. This process may include drying or heat treatment to reduce moisture to the lowest possible level. Third step, crushing and mixing. Wood firewood is put into the mill to grind into powder or smaller particles. Then, this wood pulp is mixed with adhesives such as glue or other types of chemical compounds. Promote sustainable agricultural development. Using firewood to produce wood pellets can help promote sustainable agricultural development. Using regenerative plants such as grasses or fast-growing plants to produce firewood helps reduce pressure on natural forests and supports the regeneration of forest products. Reduce emissions and protect the environment. Using wood pellets as firewood instead of fossil fuels helps reduce carbon emissions and other pollutants. This contributes to environmental protection and minimizes negative impacts on the global climate. The fourth step is compression. The mixture of wood firewood and adhesive is placed into the mold or compressor. High pressure is applied to the mixture for a certain time and temperature, helping to bind the wood particles together and create tablets. Fifth step, hardening and drying. After the wood pellets are compressed, they are taken out and put through the hardening and drying process. This can include high-temperature heat drying or chemical treatment to create wood pellets that are strong and warp-free. Wood pellets made from firewood have many important effects and applications in many different fields. Heating fuel. Wood pellets made from firewood are widely used as a source of heating fuel in fireplaces, or braziers. They can burn for a long time and create stable heat, helping to maintain a warm temperature in the living space. Cooking fuel. Wood pellets are also used for cooking. And cooking in stoves or ovens, they produce high and stable temperatures, suitable for cooking different types of foods. Combustion energy production. Wood pellets made from firewood can be used to produce combustion energy in biomass power plants, thermal power plants, or other energy production facilities. They are considered a renewable and environmentally friendly source of energy. 6-step quality check. Finally, the wood pellets are quality tested to ensure that they meet standards for durability, water resistance, and size. Wood pellets that do not meet standards may be discarded or reprocessed. The final step is packaging and shipping. The finished wood pellets are packaged and prepared for transportation to retail points or factories for use. Wood pellets made from firewood have an important role in providing energy, supporting sustainable agricultural development, and minimizing negative impacts on the environment. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, leave your comments, and subscribe to the channel so we have more motivation to make more good videos.